Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. This is my Craftsman LT2000. I got it running really well now. Just waiting for a mower belt, you know. But I thought I'd put a fuel shutoff on this thing, because when I did get this, right, the fuel had drained into had overflowed and flooded into the carburetor, filled up the crankcase with gas, and it ran like crap, you know. So I had to do an oil change just to get that oil fuel mix out of there, and that's very dangerous for the engine because it dilutes the oil and doesn't protect the engine, you know. So the safe thing to do is to you know, whether it leaks or not, it's safe to put a fuel cutoff right in here, so that when you store it, let's say for the winter and stuff like that, you could shut off the fuel, run the engine, let all the fuel be used from the carburetor bowl, and then it'll be good for next season, you know. So it's very easy to do, so I figured I'd show you guys how to do it in case you didn't. It's very simple. You get one of these fuel shut-off things. I bought like 5 of them from China. They were like $1. Comes with these clips and stuff, and it's so easy. I'll just show you real quick. So here, this actually did not have a fuel filter, so I added this fuel filter just by splicing it and adding these 2 clips on there to secure it, you know. Ideally, I want the fuel shutoff as close to the carburetor as possible so that there's no excess fuel in the line, but I already have this one so close there, so I have no choice but to slice it right around here. So I'm just going to cut it right there, slip this on, put the clips on. It's that easy. I'm going to do this in real time because it's just that quick, you know. So basically, you want to stop the fuel from flowing. So you'll clamp off the fuel with a clamp, right? You're going to have a little bit of a mess. I'm going to get some rags just to put over here. I don't want to block my watermark there. My cousin made that with a 3D printer. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, so I'll do it right around here. There you go. It's clean. So the fuel shutoff is right here. This is closed. That's open. See? It goes with the line horizontally. And it's vertically, it's closed. So you're shutting it off. You just simply take one of the clips and put them through here. It's pretty tight, and that's the point, right? So you have to take some pliers to make it nice and big so it fits over. The other clip goes here. Take one end of the fuel shut off, stick it through nice and snug. The other part of it, nice and snug. Pliers so that there's right around there. Take the clamp off of the fuel. Boom. D-O-N-E. Done. And that's just how easy it is to do a fuel shutoff valve. Cool, huh? You could zip tie this right there so that it doesn't move around and stuff. Yeah, this thing doesn't move right here, so place there to do it. You know what? I'll do that. Got one of these really nice ones. Should I do it there? I don't know if that's a good place to do it. Yeah, that's not a good place to do it. Just secure it right here. There you go. I think that's good. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. While I had it out, I figured I'd try putting the bagger system on. You know, I haven't done it since I got it, so I wanted to see if it all fits and all that. Definitely a bonus to have the bagger system. I personally don't use it until I see leaves fall from the trees in the fall. Other than that, I just use a mulch. Use that mulch cover that it came with, plug that baby up, and mince the clippings back onto it, onto the soil. But it's good to have a bagger anyway. It adds resale value for sure. This one needs some attention, but it'll do. Anyway, that was it, man. Just waiting for a deck belt. And this thing will be either ready to sell, or maybe I might keep it. Because, you know, I just took it to the backyard, and guess what? It fits in my backyard. Wow. Amazing. Jeez, it's so nice. Maybe I will keep it, you know. Anyway, decision I'll make later. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.